Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Najmus Saqib Khan. This is the third video of this series. I am showing you Laravel's official website laravel.com. In the documentation section, we can learn more about Laravel. Here I am seeing that Laravel's latest version is 7. So I need to see the latest LTS version of Laravel. This will be found in the release notes section. So here Laravel 6 is the latest LTS version. So I will use Laravel 6 for this application. Well, in the installation section we can see how we can install Laravel in our local PC. Here are the server requirements we have to fulfill. We also need Composer for the dependency management of Laravel. There are some other instructions for different operating system, and this is the command to install Laravel app in our local PC. Here blog is the folder name where the Laravel app will be installed. I have already installed in my local PC. I am using PHP Storm for this development process. This is the folder structure of Laravel application, and I am using XAMPP for the development server. So that's all for this video. In the next video I will show you how to manage the database for this project. Thank you for staying with me.